Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we'll do the language work and we'll begin with chapter number 4 today, alright? The topic is nouns. This is very common topic. You are learning about nouns since class 1. So can you think about the nouns? कि nouns होते क्या हैं? What is the meaning of a noun? So let me explain first, then match your answer with my answer. Is it same? What we are learning till now, that a name of a place, animal, thing or a person is called a noun. Alright? Any name that is called a noun. So further in this chapter we'll be talking about different kinds of nouns. ठीक है? See, look here. We have what we are going to talk about: kinds of nouns, common noun, proper noun, collective noun, and then abstract noun. These 4 kinds I'll explain you in this chapter. Alright? So let's begin with the very first one, common noun. Alright? So noun सबको clear हो गया ना क्या होता है? किसी भी person, place, thing or animal का name. Alright? So the first kind, common noun. Any general name which is used for person, places, animal or things is called the common noun. Alright? For example, if I say, I'm giving the example of common noun. I write girl here. Right? Boy, river, ocean. Alright, these all are the common names of a person. This was a person, this is river, and then we have ocean. Okay, these are the common names. I may be talking about any girl or any boy. So these are the common nouns, okay, which are used for general persons or things or animals. Alright. So when I talk about, if I say girl, मैं कोई specific name लेती हूँ. If I write here Priya. Alright, boy में if I say Rahul. River में if I say Yamuna. Ocean में if I say the Pacific Ocean. ठीक है? So these all are now the specific names. Alright? मैं किसी को बुला रही हूँ प्रिया कह के, राहुल, यमुना, the Pacific Ocean. So these are now the proper nouns. Alright? Which are used for specific persons, places, animals or things. Alright? So this is the difference between the common and the proper noun. What is the difference? Common noun could be used for general names, alright, and the proper noun is always used for specific things or person or animals. Alright, there is one more rule for the proper noun. It always begins with capital letters. Common noun mein it is not compulsory to begin our noun with the capital letter, but in the proper noun it has to begin with the capital letter. See, Priya, Rahul, Yamuna, everything Pacific here. Alright, so proper noun should begin with the capital letter. Third noun is collective noun. So what are collective nouns? The words which stand for a collection of something. Alright? Just if I say bunch word. Bunch is used to refer the collection of flowers or something. Bunch of bananas. We can also say bunch of flowers.